Hi friends, let me show you this carbon fiber wallet that I received for reviewing purposes. Comes in a nice box, nice package. You can use it as a gift also. You get the user manual, okay? You get a battery for it. It is RFID protected, so your credit card will be safe in it. And as you can see, it's a nice size, just enough for what you need, okay? You are able to put your cards in it. And you have this window to get them out, okay? So it's easy to use, fits in any pocket, in your back pocket or whatever, and you can put, it has a money clip also, okay? So let's try it. Like this, okay? So it's really nice. It's carbon fiber. It's really nice to the touch, nice to the view, and easy to use. You just have to get your cards out like that, okay? Perfect gift for this season, for any person, for your dad, for your son, for your husband, for your partner,